So, hi guys, ito na po yung token na receive po from Busali Elementary School. So, ano kayang laman nito guys? So, nasa lahat, I want to say thank you to the Busali Teaching Force, headed by Sir Leo Erniola. So, ayan guys. Ano kaya to guys? Talagang wala akong idea kung anong laman nito. Basta, lumipas muna yung isang araw bago ko naisip, ay, may token pala ako pagiging guest speaker. So, ngayon lang natin to bubuksan, guys. So, ayan. Naning pata, naning kaayo. So, congratulations once again, graduates, parents, guardians, and the teachers. So, ibang ano naman yung matulungan for next year. Okay guys, ano kaya ito guys? Medyo mag siguro to. Kaya ko mag. Sabi ko na nga ba guys, mag. As always, mug with my name and picture. Personalized na mug. Thank you so much sa Busali Elementary School, spearheaded by Sir Leo Erniola. So, ito yung token niya para sa akin. Ito ang token nila for me. So, yan. So, meron akong mug ng Pilgrimage of Hope from church. So, ito na naman siya ngayon, guys. From Busali Elementary School. Ito yung token. Charan! With my face. Ito na guys. Ayan. Remembrance. April 14, 2025. Thank you so much. Pwede na magkape. Bye-bye guys. So, ito na guys. Medyo ano tayo ngayon guys, no? Pinapawisan kasi alam nyo na pagbabae, merong ano, monthly bisita. So, medyo hindi okay yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. Ayan. Thank you for the opportunity. It is an honor and a privilege to be the guest speaker here in Busali Elementary School. Graduation, moving up, and closing exercises. So, yung date ay April 14, 2025. So, tapos na guys. So, please watch my videos about, you know, my speech as a guest speaker. So, 46 minutes siya. So, medyo mahaba, di ba? I really thought it will be 20 minutes only, but grabe, humaba siya ng humaba, naging 46 minutes. So, hoping na may nakuha yung mga bata sa mga messages ko. So, nandyan yan guys, nakalagay sa videos ko. Guest speaker in Busali Elementary School. Emotional nga ba yung title? So, that's it guys. Thank you so much sa token ko. Mabuti na lang hindi to inano ng mga bata. Kasi kung hindi, mababasag to. So, ayan. Thank you so much.